Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing May. I believe this is part 4. If not, you see the title of it. For 2025 Patreon for D&D, um, your Warhammer proxies and figures for your 3D printing needs. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord down below. And yeah, all the stuff we'll be looking at will be down below as well. You might see some repeats, just letting you guys know. I'm trying my best because we have so many Patreon with so many new stuff that we're going to be looking at. So we have Orc King. I believe this is a proxy for Warhammer. This is May release. Yeah, it'll be a proxy uh, for it. Eh, I want to say it looks good, but I do like that though. Some undead space marines. That could be like this could be like your Nurgle. Yeah, your Nurgle like your Deathbringers and stuff or the Plague Marines. But yeah, that'll be it for that. Next is Legion miniatures. This is for little minis for your Marvel and DC for it. There's the whole thing. We got like different variants of DC and Marvel. The different variant of Doctor Strange. We got Rhino, Iron Man. We got I forgot what kind of Spider-Man that is. Gwenpool, Invisible Woman. Uh, Not really into the Black Panther characters, but she's probably the sister of the Black Panther. Do not know what the hell that is. Hawkeye, Ant Man. We got Green Lantern, Superman. It look kind of look like Batman Beyond. Some of these I don't really know. I think that's the young Flash Boy. But yeah, it looks like a different variant of Wonder Woman as a male. I don't really follow the comics anymore, or the TV series and the movies. It just got to a point that it just died on me. I used to be a hardcore Marvel and DC fan when I was growing up until like the past few years. They just make really bad movies and really bad cartoons. Some of the new cartoons are okay. I like the Batman. Um, that's in like the Edo period in Japan. I think that was good, but other than that, it just kind of died on me for a long period of time for it. But if you guys do enjoy it, just check them out. Cal 3D. This is a figure one. Very good figures, I will say. That's your welcome pack. We got Sailor Mars figure that's coming up. We got, I think this is A2 that's coming up. So it looks pretty damn cool. Cybernetic Beauty. I think that's supposed to be a variant of Catwoman. Jean-Claude Van Damme. I don't know if he's dead or is still alive. I know he stopped making movies. You got your bust from the previous month. You get for this month as well. They got lewd ones. They got the Ultimate Spider-Man pack that they have as well. That they said this is Mary Jane, but it looks like Aunt Cassie from Big Hero 6. I think she's hot, in my opinion. So this is going to be this month's what you call? Oh, we got Genna for it. We got Juggernaut. I really want to see what Juggernaut really looks like in this. Lady Mechanaka. So that's Lady Mechanaka. That was Spider. That was Catwoman. ES Monster, another figure one that's really good as well. If it loads, we got the May, Ada, Jill, Spider Man. Forgot her. This from Marvel Rivals. I think that's Victoria, Harley Quinn. I don't know the hell that is. And you got your welcome pack in the bottom as well. Emma Frost. Their models are pretty good. That's the Red Queen. That's the Phoenix Force from Jean Grey from X-Men, I believe. I don't remember. I do want to get this one though. I do want to print this sucker for one of the pinups. I have a few more pinups left, and I gotta start printing more pinups for it. Next one is Peach Figure. This one I'm going to print the teacher from High School of the Dead. She's one of my waifus. There's a promo one, Evelyn from League of Legends. And we got Light. I think I already saw this one in the previous video, but the female version of Light. More will be coming, I believe. What else do we need? Darkness, the girl from Breath of the Wild, and the girl from Demon Slayer. I am not good with names, I'll tell you that. I am horrible with names. Black Mancer Sculpt, another figure one that's really good as well. You got Yennefer. I don't know. I like figures that have big old bitties. That's just me. I'm a boob man, even though I married a lady girl with small boob. But I can look. That's all I got to say. I can look. Jennifer, I can't get that. There we got Alucard. We have Star Lord. I remember Star Lord used to be really good in the comics, especially the Annihilation series. But after a while, it just they just keep changing the damn storyline. Kratos. So this is what's gonna be May. This is last month. This is now. So we're gonna get Doom, Emma Frost. Do not know who the hell that is, and that will be revealed. And you get your promo bonus as well. So one that's gonna be coming out for it. We got two Bulkmans. So we don't need one. Bulkmans. OX3D, another good figure one as well. A lady Mecha Lancer from Mechanicus from Warhammer 40k. I actually almost got this set, this whole actual Combat Patrol set, but I might just actually 3D print it because I don't have much money to buy a lot of 40k stuff. I could save up, but I already spent majority of my money, my birthday money, on trying to get my Slaanesh army complete, and I got a print remainder of it. I got freaking Fulgrim for 140, and I think it goes for about 180, 200 bucks. So I got it for like a steal. And this is Pama Cyberpunk Panam. I do not know where she's from. The game Cyberpunk. Half the game is just that I never actually played the damn thing. It was April release. We don't have May release, full May release yet for it, I think. Let me go up. Let's see here. This should be this is the May one we're gonna get right here. This one I'm looking forward to. That one, not really, not really. I'm looking for that because I see biddies here. May surprise release. So that'll be pretty cool. Daka Daka Store. This is a Warhammer proxy. If you guys haven't seen this before, it's very good. They do a lot of Kickstarters for it as well. So we have a June 3rd Kickstarter for it. I think this is going to be for that new Trench Crusade game that came out. So I think this is the Trench Crusade one that we're going to be doing. They got a lot of other stuff. I'm trying to find some good ones. Darksiders. This one, I think this is for 1,000 Sun. Yeah, I think so too. Free model, Violence of Dream, Conquest, soon. Okay. For 236 STF for $39. Secret Pledge. Stretch goals. I think that's for the Kickstarter. They do a lot of Kickstarters, I'll tell you that right now. But yeah. Little Patty, another figure one as well. This one we got from Solo Leveling. I don't know what the previous one is. Tacky WP 4.0. I do not know. Where's this from? Probably from Eve, I'm guessing, or Evangelion, but I really don't know what this girl's supposed to be. Yeah, Stellar Blade, Tachi from Stellar Blade. I have the game, haven't freaking played it. Well, anyhow, hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.